I have a huge lot of Pokemon cards I am giving away, too many to count, but there are probably a couple thousand of them, plus there are a few binders and a few tins as well. This one's a gem. Free motorcycle. Another TV, 60-inch TV. People just give this away because they have another TV. I want you to remember that every time you use this printer that it came from a holly jolly Asian man. Don't let COVID make you racist against this Asian man. I don't want to be on the internet anymore. Hey, if we haven't had the pleasure of meeting yet, I am the guy that was able to furnish his $4,000 rent apartment per month in Silicon Valley entirely free, and including that sick Battle Axe guitar over there. If you want to find out exactly how you can furnish your stuff for free, what rich people are getting rid of as the holidays roll around, and how do you smash the like button so that we defeat the YouTube algorithm together, well, stay tuned, because I'm here, Professor Meatball is here, and let's get started. Rich people, where do they come from? Where are they going? Well, in order to be rich, you have to actually just have relatively more money than other people. So that's why the Gini Index is the best way to figure out how unequal your backyard is, how unequal your neighborhood is. We see that lower is more equal, and that Silicon Valley in the 80s was pretty darn equal because, well, back then there wasn't as much of a tech bubble at the time. You see that it jumps crazy lengths from 38 to 43 just 10 years later, and then even 10 years later it jumps to 45. Now, after the bust in 2008, it dips and then it goes back up again. Now it's the highest it's ever been, and now we want to be able to tell, what do rich people throw away when it comes time for the holidays? You know, spring cleaning is almost around the corner, and there's oftentimes minimalism and abstract, I need to get rid of my stuffism, and we want to be able to find out exactly what people are getting rid of. Huge lot of Pokemon cards. Read description. Please read the entire posting. I have a huge lot of Pokemon cards I am giving away, too many to count, but there are probably a couple thousand of them, plus there are a few binders and a few tins as well. My sons have outgrown them and they sit there unused, so I've decided instead of selling them, they aren't worth much anyways. I'd rather give them to a family in need that could perhaps use a nice Christmas gift for their kids. My sons and I have gone through all the cards and taken out any that were of any real value. So if you reply to this posting thinking you can sell them and turn a profit or find some cards worth big bucks, I'm sorry to disappoint you. Oh, there are no hidden gems in here, so don't be selfish and let someone in need have them. Well, Guru and Logan Paul, I'm sorry, but these are not for you. As I said, I'd like to give this to a family in need. I know it's been a tough year and many families are struggling and could use some help this holiday season. This is why I'm giving them away for free. So if you claim to be in need, but you show up in a Mercedes or BMW, I will promptly turn you away. So don't waste your time or mine. Please look poor so that this person doesn't think that you own a BMW or lease it or something crazy like that. You will need to pick them up sometime between 8 and 11 tomorrow morning. If you can't, then please don't email me. You must be able to make that specific time. If you have specific work hours and you're poor, it's too bad. You have to be poor and you have to be able to meet me at exactly 8 to 11 tomorrow. Email me. I'm free to include a small note and message in your email. Please thank me in your email. This is a very nice gesture. I hope these cards went to a good home. I really do. Because eventually one family has to catch them all, and this family is just giving up on that dream entirely. This one's a gem. Free motorcycle. I have a 2001 Suzuki GZ250 that I want to get rid of. Someone gave it to me last year with the title. It's not running. He said it ran fine before the starter went out. I was gonna fix it, and I found out the carburetor is also seized, and I don't feel like spending time or money on a little 250. Yeah, just a little 250. I know Mario Kart. 250 is the small one, I think. I don't know Mario Kart. The battery is also dead and the front tire is flat. I have the title ready to go with the bike. It was last registered in 2014, but he said it's been non-op since then. First come, first serve. I'll push the bike out to the street and hand you the title still in the previous owner's name. Nice. Be really careful when you accept motorcycles or any kind of vehicles from Craigslist because you need some kind of title and stuff. Disclaimer, I've never done it, so maybe don't even do it ever and just appreciate from far away. Beloved rabbit. Hi, I'm giving away my rabbit for free as I'm unable to take care of her due to my working hours hindering me from giving her the attention she needs. She's a rescue rabbit that I saved in March and is in need of loving home. Unfortunately, I must give her away as soon as possible because I don't want her to be lonely anymore. If anyone is looking to adopt her, my number is number. Serious inquiries only. Text me with questions for arrange for pickup. I will not respond to email. Do not get her for meat. Karma will get back to you if that is the case. Only to a loving family. Please do not adopt a rescue bunny for meat. I hope this rabbit went to a good home and not to meat. Gone. Holly Jolly Asian man giving away HP printer for Christmas, Santa Clara. Update. Someone has already picked this up. I have an HP printer scanner copier that I am not using, so I'm giving away for Christmas. It's an HP Envy 4502, no wires included. How is it going to run if it doesn't have any wires? Has ink, but it might be dry. I want you to remember that every time you use this printer that it came from a Holly Jolly Asian man. Don't let COVID make you racist against this Asian man. I'm so glad. This is from today, so I'm so glad that someone picked up this Holly Jolly printer. Aw, two beautiful cats, Salt and Pepper. Looking to find a loving home for my cats. Salt, Gray, Pepper, Tabby. Oh no, they are indoor cats. They had the chance to walk around outside. They are both female. I have their certificates from being spayed and vaccinated. If you are interested, please text. Please. This is from today, so if these cats are still up, please adopt them. They need Christmas loving. Now for a couple of serious things. As you know, this gaming chair is from Craigslist. We have another free gaming chair right here. Free gaming chair missing one armrest, but other than that, in great shape. We have an LG TV plus remote, 47 inches. We have a 75-inch TV. We have adjustable height chrome swivel vinyl cushioned bar stools used. And we have apples and potatoes. Okay, now we're back to jokes. But the other ones, they were pretty cool, right? Apples and potatoes free. I have apples and potatoes for free. They're good and not molding or going bad in Hollister and Westside. 1 bag of apples and 1 box of potatoes per family. Unless there are no responses, I'll give it all to one person. I'll be home around 6 p.m. Text me only. Free firewood this Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday morning. 1.5 to 2 cords free Sunnyvale. In nearby Los Altos, please text only for address. Apologies for old generic photo, as the wood is yet to be cut. Merry Christmas. Oh, and please no phishing scams with the 6-digit code thing. Cut your hair and get a job, scumbag, communist. I don't want to be on the internet anymore. Oh, another TV. Free Vizio TV. At least 6 years old. No, it's not yours. Blue luggage suitcase cover. 24 inches, 16 inches by 10 inches. New, never used. Free to a good home with a good story. An appropriate sized piece of luggage that needs personalization. Luggage not included. Only the blue, no it's not yours cover. Please, if you wanted luggage, you have to bring it and have a good story. And it's not the luggage, it's just the cover. I've never seen a luggage cover before. Free deer head taxidermy stag for Man Cave or Burning Man curb alert. Deer head on the side of the building at the Citadel Artist Community. Opposite the Foundry Apartments. Look for it under the staircase by the ivy wall. Please give this a good home. This is not mine. It's not even his. You can't just promote someone else's deer head. Can you? I don't know. Samsung 65-inch plasma screen TV. Nice. More TVs. Free trampoline. Free trampoline. In good working condition, no tears or rips, 14-foot frame, 12-foot jumping area. The blue spring is not in good shape. Comes with ladder. Comes with ladder. Comes with ladder. You come take it apart and take it away, Lou. Nice. Thank you, Lou. Oh, look, I have one of these. Oh, I'm going to get mine. Oh, okay. I not only found mine, I found my girlfriend. So this is my Krups beer machine. It stabbed me in the face just now. But it has a lever. It's supposed to be like a cool Silicon Valley like mini keg. It was free. It was free on Instagram. I got this ad like 4 times a day, and then I bought it because it was free if you bought like $100 worth of kegs. So it's from Hopsy, and Hopsy went out of business in June 2020. This was news to me back in December. This is sitting in our garage. Apparently, you can get the torps from a Belgium company. Maybe some US company takes up the IP and starts making torps stateside? Have not tried getting shipments from them and don't want to. Also feel bad just sending this to the landfill. Maybe someone has a use for it. There is no use for it. All the beers exploded. I'll show some, if I find some footage, I'll put it right here. And yeah. This was a bad investment on my part.
Pick it up quick.
And now it's a relic for future aliens to find out. Another TV, 60-inch TV. People just give this away because they have another TV. Winnie the Pooh stuffed animals. Pooh doesn't have a shirt. I have 4 stuffed animals in excellent condition. They have been in a box for the past 18 years. I have Winnie the Pooh, Eeyore. 18 years?
Those are valuable.
Wow.
To me.
Free Halloween candy. Not many kids came by this year. Still new in package. This is the good stuff. Please save me from myself. McDonald's gift cards $10 each. McDonald's gift cards $20 each. Burger King gift cards $50 each. Scam? Not scam?
Yes.
Maybe a scam. Maybe it's a scam. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. If you enjoyed this episode, really, it helps out a lot for a like. Not for me, for Meatball. Please drop a like, drop a subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, which I think you already are. And as always, for now but not for forever, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.